Up for sale, 1957 Chevy. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 57 Chevy finished in a red with gray interior, 350, 3-speed on the floor, which is a pretty cool thing that they did to the car. It's a few-year-old restoration, finished in red with gray interior, and 18-inch Boss wheels that just look super cool. The stance of the car is outstanding. The condition of the car is outstanding. And as always, you know, we will start her in the front. And as well, being manual, I will get in for the driving. Your chrome bumpers, all the way around chrome bumpers, chrome trim, stuff like that. Like a 9.5 out of 10. Let me get up on it real quick as I go here. The paint is probably a 9, and it looks like 3-year-old paint if you ask me. All the gaps are nice. Again, California car. It looks to really have all the original sheet metal. All the floors are original. The floor braces, floor supports, stuff like that, those are original. That's all super nice to see. But again here, super nice. And anything that I notice, I will point out. Hood alignment as you go up and down there, the way it should be. I mean, even as far as like this kind of stuff, this is all new. Beautiful attention to detail all the way around. Wheels show like new that you see there. When you get down here on the outer rocker, you see all those little dimples, all those nice original sheet metal dimples on the outer rocker. So let's go ahead. We'll pop the hood here. Hop into the car. Where are you at? Here we go. You should see this car. It's a little cloudy out in the bright sun, which we drove it home. 70 on the highway, by the way. 70 on the highway. Beautiful. The red just pops. It looks amazing. But anyway, you get in here. Little custom tones. You see the Mickey Thompson valve covers. I always like seeing them, especially in like an excellent condition. You got a little shielding for the wires. Polycarb, aluminum intake. Red all the way around here. Nicely finished. Even the steering box, stuff like that. All the way. Even in the front here, super nice. Little metal under hood to reflect on the engine. Really nice, very nice in here. Well, we'll keep going. Moving on down the side of the car, which is very straight. Anyway, we'll keep going here. Again, anything that I do see, I will point out. Look at this beautiful fitment. Fender to the door all the way down. Door to the rocker all the way back. And up to the quarter. That's the way you want it to be. No bubbles on the car. That's out of question here. The only blemish, I would see a little stone chip in the windshield there, but there's no cracks anywhere else on the glass. You see the finish even in there. Probably one piece of trim that wasn't replaced, but nice, presentable, probably original. You know, those quarter windows are, the hit or miss on whether people do them sometimes. That's done right, the drip rail here. Top of the car is done right as well. Finished down to the trim all the way around the window. We will hop in. Then is where it should be. Butt welded, I believe it's called, or whatever, not removed from the car. Again, something you always want to see. And here's your little California thing. Look at the nice crisp metal all the way down into the corner of the door. Not worked. No Bondo in there. That's nice to see. And again, you got a little custom interior, a little gray with the darker gray carpet. Seats the same way. There's your 3-speed on the floor. Purse shifter. Nice finish in here though. And again, seats like new. I'll show you the back seat real quick. Get that over with. Doesn't really look to be sad in. Seat back, same deal. Couple speakers there. Headliner. Mint. Same deal for the visors. Hopping in. Red dash. Couple added gauges in the middle. It's got a couple cassettes that go with the car that are in here. The light works in there as well, by the way. Smokey Robinson and Chevy Checker 57 manual, so those will be in there. Oh, you gotta push it in, that's right. Okay. Gauges. Late model steering wheel on here. Horn works. All the gauges work. Nicely painted as well. They didn't skimp out on the dash. You know, sometimes it's a lesser quality. This is really nice in here. But let's keep going here. I got the keys in my pocket. Yep. Fit solid. You know, no misalignment on the lock, so you got an extra jam, and it fits nice. And look at this nice finish here, all the way in that wheel well there. If you see that, that's super nice. Again, there's your chromies. I think my camera's out of focus. Give me a second. Okay, we should be good now. Get up close there. Even your finish in there, that's nice. This was a very nice quality restoration here. Excellent rear glass as well. Going on to the bumper in the back here. Nice fitment. Again, isn't it? Yeah, where you put the gas in. There we go. That there. Common on all these Tri-5s. When the trunk closes, occasionally you'll get a chip. So there's one of the few little blemishes that's been touched up in the corner. I mean, it's expected. Probably seen it on every single Tri-5 that I've owned. This is new. This is new. Okay. In the back here, you got the jack. Couple like Bel Air floor mats. You got the same material for the seats, and I have it for the quarters as well, but I kind of like this battery. It looked cool, so I put those in there. You could always put it back in if you'd like. Your carpet that matches the floor carpet, the mats, jack, cover for where the spare would go. And again, a little interesting thing that they did here. It was a blue car originally, so they left that blue paint on the trunk pan to show, you know, that original trunk pan that it hasn't been repaired and replaced like a lot of, you know, cars do. So you see nice and solid, and even there's no repairs to where the spare tire sits. You know, there's two drain holes there. Sometimes they patch them, sometimes those res out. This is nice. This was not repaired. Again, nice solid California car example. Quality finish in here. You can even kind of see the little dimples there from the original quarters. Same deal there. Quality finish underneath as well. You got the little insulation in between. Nice weather stripping as well. Nice finish in the paint. Let's keep going. Okay, we'll start back here. Ow. Really nice. I mean, I'm not really pointing out any marks in here on the car because I'm not really seeing anything. What is that? I know that'll come off. Yeah, that came off. Wait, no, it didn't. Yes, it did. Little something right there that came off. You see there, nice finish on this lip down to the bottom there. Here's a couple marks. Not that I'm really going out of my way for them, but a couple little baby stone chips right there. You see there? Okay. A little baby one right there. Dust on this door edge here for whatever reason. Maybe someone had dusty hands. I don't know. But anyway, moving on here. nice fitment all the way around here on this door. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. Look at the nice metal in here as you go around. 57 Chevy, finished in red with gray interior. 350, 3-speed on the floor. California car. Beautifully restored. We are getting to that point of the video where we're going to fire it up, drive it, and then get in for the driving. Little mark. Oh, there's a Mustang. Little mark right on the corner there towards the fender. So, thank you for watching, and here we go. Welcome to 1957 in Addison, Illinois. This brings you back to the nicer days in life, where things were more enjoyable, cars were grander, and more fun, and cheaper.
Not anymore.
No. At least it's not a 57 Corvette price.
Oh, God.
But they're going to catch up to them. Oh, look at this guy. I know.
Jimmy figured out, yeah, after a year you're there.
I can believe it. There's a rule.
He said on the 11th month they fired him.
I can see that too.
We're driving home with on the highway having my coffee and on the phone.
Oh yeah. I saw you on the phone half the time.